All right, so we're about 9 minutes after the East Coast Open for the CL. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stack up a quantity of 2 with a 20 tick profit target. So I'm going to get ready here. I should get a signal here anytime. Let's just kind of be patient. Just kind of be patient here and wait and see. I'm going to use the one-click entry that the Trailblazer offers. Just a sell stop here. I'm going to move this down. That's one of the neat things about the Trailblazer. You can move the entry around here. And I tell you, I'm just going to wait for my signal here. And then I'm going to slide my order up. There it is. Oh, I'm late. You know what? I'll get in a tick. Yeah, fine. I'm good. I'm about, let's see, my entry was here at 27. Oil moves fast, guys. Oil moves fast. At least I had the opportunity to do this. I'm in a tick lower than I should be. I mean, big deal. Big deal. So I'm just going to sit tight here. I'm just going to wait. I'm going to move my break-even target to, I'm going to put it at 11. I'm going to put it at 11, break even, plus 1. There's my 2 targets that I've got lined out right there. Now let's see if we can get some quick profit. Had a bit of a whipsaw day here on the CL so far this morning. And, of course, like any trader who likes to fill and have it move against you. But, that's the business. That's the challenges that we face. But I've got my signal here, clear as day, short entry hash marks, short entry triangle right there, and my filter's nice and red. So I'm just going to sit through this here and wait and see what happens. Come on, get down there. All right, let's go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. Come on, we're still there. Got some quick, fast action movement going on right here with the CL. It can do that. Currently in the green on this particular trade right here, but I keep bouncing back up here towards my entry. You know what? I'm just going to be patient. The Trailblazer has already picked up my stop right here. If I can fulfill on this particular target, I'm definitely at greater than 1-to-1 ratio with that. I'm going to take it down there right to my target and see what happens. I think we'll hit. I think that's a realistic first target for this time of day for the CL. We're probably just going to fiddle around here at these levels for a little bit. Hopefully we're not consolidating at this point. Although we really haven't had that significant of moves to the downside. It's just been this whip-saw motion down there. I tell you, with a 10-tick target, I would have already had it. But as I suggested earlier, a lot of times this time of day, it can really move. I'll tell you what, I'd be tempted if we can close down and around where the logic counter is right here, which tells us when our bar is going to close. I'd be very tempted if I got a signal to perhaps consider entering another position. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and get set for that. Here's the thing. With what I'm seeing right here, and I don't know this just yet, whether we're consolidating or not, I need a little more rotation around this level here, 92.25. But if we start to break down and stay down below that, we might be looking at a larger move. Stops currently in place. I'm risking $300 on 2. I'm going to leave that first target set there at 20 ticks. Should be good for that size of a move. Let's see if we, come on. Let's go. Let's see if we get there on this one. Let's go. Push it down. Come on. Come on. All right. Well, this is part of trading, guys. Sometimes we've got to sit through this before we break down. Hopefully we will. Let's wait and see. Come on. Let's break down below 16. I'll be interested in the possibility of it. I'm going to get ready for that right now. Let's move that to the right. You know what? I tell you, if I throw two more on, I'm going to anticipate the runner. So I'm going to set that at 0 for the next two to see if I can get a couple of runners. We can break down. There we go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Lord, I hate it when it does this. Come on. Don't buy it up there. You know you want to break down. All right. So I'm still protected. Trailblazers got my back. I'm risking 240 right now on 2. That's not a bad stop for the CL. Not a bad stop at all. It's moving fast enough here. Consolidated a little bit. Very common for CL as well as other instruments. We can get this. We can get this sideways action. But Trailblazers got my back here with my stop. It's managing it. I don't have to worry about it. I'm not going to touch it. Not going to touch my stop. Let's go, guys. Come on, let's push it down. Let's go. Come on, push. Push it down. I've got that first target set at 20 ticks. There we go. Okay, come on. Am I going to get a signal here? Oh, Okay, well, I just got the signal right here. I just got it. I would have been filled. It was way too fast. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to mark it into this with a sell. All right, so I got a little bit better price. I'm in this particular trade right here. I'm 2 contracts in, all out. I'm going to see if I get a runner off of this. After this consolidation, I'm going to wait and see. Now, I do have my break-even +1 set here at 10 ticks, and I'm going to just leave it set there. Let's see if this thing takes off. Let's see if it takes off. If I don't like the break-even +1, I could always make new arrangements. So I've just re-entered. I re-entered this trade right here with a market order after I filled on my first 2. By using that market order, I actually got a better fill than what I would have gotten here at my hash mark. All I'm hoping for now is that we break down. So right now, currently risking 460. Let's see where this bar closes. This is an all-in, all-out trade. All in, all out on 2. Let's see if I made the right decision here. It's consolidated in here. I'll tell you, if we can break down there below 92, I think we'll be cooking with gas. I really do. I'm going to stretch my break even out a little bit here. I'm going to stretch it out to 91. Let's see if I can get there. Let's see. Come on, push it down, guys. Let's go. Stop, still holding. This thing should tighten up as each bar goes down. Let's get another down bar and tighten that stop up. Let's get another bar and tighten that stop up. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Push it down. Get it down there. Come on. If we can break 92, I think we might have it made. All right. Trailblazers picked me up right here. Now I am risking 420 on 2. Again, I'm all in, all out on this one here. I'm all in, I'm all out. No targets. Very nice to be able to just slam that sell market order. Very nice. I wouldn't be in this trade right now. And I actually, like I said, I got a better fill. I did get a better fill. The hash mark is still a great fill. I mean, we haven't been stopped out yet. This is still a great fill, but this is a case where being unlucky actually helps me out a little bit. What are we doing here, guys? Come on, let's get this thing pushed down there. Gotta break 92. I think if we bust down below 92, I think we'll be in business. There we go. All right, so I'm break even +1. That's the worst I'm going to do on this trade right now. Now I'm just going to leave my hands and I'm going to leave my opinion out of this. Let the Trailblazer do its job. There we go. Perfect. 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 I'm liking what I'm seeing here so far. Look at that. ATR's pick. There we go. There we go. Protecting 16 ticks on 2. I'm all in, all out on this trade. There we go. Oh, it's moving fast. This is nice. Nice. Probably going to see a little bit of retracement here. There. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, come on. Stay. I want that warning to stick. Come on. Push it down, guys. Let's go. Let's go. If I can get this bar to close at or below 56, I am going to manually drag my stop down. Come on. Push. Let's go. Come on. One more tick. There we go. There we go. All right. So I'm going to leave this at 72. I'm going to leave this right here at 72. I'm a few ticks above the round number. Let's see if we've got any more to the downside here. Might stall out down here at this level. 91. Looks like we stalled out here right at 91 and a half. Got that round number right there. You know, if I get taken out on this trade, that's fine. I'm good. I'm positive $780 on 2 contracts. Perfect. All right, going to leave my protection right where it's at. Let's see if the ATRs pick it up. Let's see if the ATRs pick it up. Either way, I'm protecting 780 on 2. So that's 38 ticks on each contract. Come on, guys. Let's see if we're good for one more push to the downside here. I'm going to snug it up just a little bit here. I'm going to snug it up. You know what? I'll tell you, no. I'm not even going to do that. I'm not even going to do that. I'm going to switch over. There's my preview button. There's my bar high, bar low. I am going to trail this sucker back 1 bar. 1 bar with a 1 tick offset. That is where my stop would be right there. I'm just going to accept it. There, I'm protecting $1,000 on 2. Nice, nice, nice 50 tick move. Boom, I'm out of there. Nice, nice trade. Very nice. Recovered nicely here with my entry with the market order that was available. And not to mention, able to tighten up my stop while I'm in the middle of the trade. That was a great, great trade. Well, listen, guys, if you have any questions about the Ratpor Trading System or the Trailblazer, please feel free to reach out to me at ray@indicatorwarehouse.com. Thanks, and have a great day.